Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So this is super cool, guys. So it's going to give you a ton of features. So I'm going to show you guys how it works, and then I'm going to show you how to download it. Now, it does make me watch an ad here, which is kind of annoying, but it's completely free. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. I'm just going to go ahead and watch the ad just so you guys can see the Delta Executor in action. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So let me just run the ad, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So yeah, it is super cool. So let's just go ahead and run this, as you can see. All right, and now that we have watched the ad, we should be able to use the Delta Executor. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So this is super cool. So let's just go ahead and join a game just so you guys can see this actually works. So let's just go ahead and hop into this game here, and you guys will see how it goes. So we'll just give it a minute to load up, and as you can see, guys, the menu is there, so all the settings are there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So let's get into the guide. So this is super cool, and it totally works. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download it onto your device. So as you can see, it is fully working, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website right here. So let me just go ahead and type it in. Alright, so this is the website right here. So let me just type it in. So it's called scriptsgod.com. So once you're on the website, guys, all you have to do is just go ahead and download it. So as you can see, we're going to press the Delta Executor, and then we're just going to go ahead and enter our user ID. So to get that, find your player URL, and then in the URL, guys, you want to get the part that has the user ID and go ahead and copy that. So once you do that, you're going to be good to go. So let's just go ahead and do that. So alright, let's get into it, guys. So here we go. It's loading right now. Alright, so now we need to wait for it to load. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. Alright, so let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. So at the end, there is going to be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, we have to download 2 of the apps. So for me, I'm going to do Lumo. It's going to take me to the app store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here. So now I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps. So for the other one, I'm going to go ahead and do Travel Town. So this one I have to reach level 9, so it's a game. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. Alright, so we're just going to wait for these to download. Alright, and as you can see, it is loading. Alright, so I'm just going to run through this, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just run this right here. As you can see, alright, so just going to go ahead and do the Travel Town now. So this one is a game. So you just got to run it and do some basic interactions. So I'm just going to wait for it to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to play through this. Alright. So let's just go ahead and do that, as you can see. So I'm just going to run this right here just for a little bit more, guys. So if it tells you to reach like level 10, make sure you do that. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this actually works It's super cool, guys. So I'm just gonna run this for a little bit more here. As you can see, see, I'm just playing through it. So let's see what happens. All right. So anyway, guys, then all you have to do is go to your home screen, and you should have the Delta Executor. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in this, because it is super cool and it totally works. So definitely go ahead and get the word out, guys. This is super awesome, and I haven't had any problems with it at all. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, as you can see, guys, fully working. This is so cool.